Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on the concept of Shri Lagan, which can be used when it comes down to decoding your wealth prospects. And more than that guys, when we talk about from the Sanatan Dharma, from the Vedic point of view, even wealth which is connected with the goddess Lakshmi, there has been different forms of the Lakshmi as well which has been connected over there. So let's say for example, if you are not even able to figure out that okay, you have certain talents in your life, are you capitalizing on it? Or this could be a case that you already have some sort of gifted section in your chart in your life, but you're not paying attention over there. Why to go very far guys? Even at that time when I have already hit the mark of like almost 200k subscribers, even after that I was not able to get that confidence that astrology can be done full time, and I was just hovering for different kind of part-time jobs and the menial jobs when I was here in Canada. And if I were to give attention to my chart, whether I talk about from the Shri Lagna's point of view, from all the wealth combination, everything indicates, everything is aligned in one direction only, which is about that my child, you have to be in the healing only. So that's what I'm trying to say guys. In this short video we will try to look at it. Now guys, first of all I will just take things one by one. The very first thing is that when I say Shri Lagan, so Shri can be attached with as another name of the goddess Lakshmi, which in Hindu Sanatan Dharma is connected as the goddess of the wealth. Now comes the second question about the calculation part. Now see, these days there are like good softwares, especially like when we talk about the platform like Jagannath Hora software, over where through some like you just have to key in your details and you will be able to figure it out. But let's say for example, if you are very much into getting into the nitty-gritty of it, so it all comes down to that you have to see that your moon in the natal chart, how much degree in that specific nakshatra it has crossed. So for example, in my case, like it's not a secret now, I'm a Sadbisha Nakshatra person. So that means if in my natal chart my moon within the Aquarius is in the 12 degree 22 minutes for example, so it is in the Sadbisha Nakshatra. So the region of the Sadbisha in the Aquarius starts from the 6 degree 40 minutes till 20 minutes of the Aquarius. So all what you have to do is that my moon is in the 12 degree 22 minutes. So from 12 degree 22 minutes, you have to subtract it. You have to minus the 6 degree 40 minutes because the Sadbisha range starts from over there. So how much distance within the Sadbisha moon has covered? So you will calculate that and then you have to divide it by 1.1. So let's say for example, if the resulting number and you have to do a round figure of it. So if the resulting number comes out to be number 5, now this number needs to be added to the rising sign. So my rising is Aries. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So that means in my case, my Shri Lagna could be the Virgo energy. So now guys, so the calculation part I already explained it to you, and let's say for example, if you do not want to get into the nitty gritty of that, so in Jagannath Hora software you can actually find it very explicitly and clearly mentioned over there. Now comes the question that when it comes down to the Shri Lagna, you have figured it out. Now which all areas you have to give attention to? So guys, personally speaking, I'm not a very big fan of in these kind of calculation giving attention to the house. Now if you get good results from over there, please feel free to do that. And if you will take it down to the nakshatra level, it is going to be very very detailed. If I were to say just giving attention to the basic innate qualities of the zodiac sign, it can actually give you a very clear and the precise information that when it comes down to that, via what kind of mindset you can manifest goddess Lakshmi or wealth in your life. Now it hardly matters what you are doing. Even if you are like working as a motivational speaker, you are an accountant, you are a designer, you are an artist, you are a musician, only if you know about that purely in terms of the money, purely in terms of the wealth, what exactly is the domain or the theme which you have to follow, you will definitely get benefited. And in this video now I will shift to the another section, and I will just be focusing on that. If you have your Shri Lagna in different zodiac sign, what could be the source or direction of the money or wealth for you. So guys, let's say for example, if it turns out to be the Aries. So especially guys, for the Aries, beyond any doubt, the characteristics of the Aries is that it is very bold, it is very energetic, it is very ambitious as well. And when we talk about the wealth indicators, so we say this thing that wealth could be gained through the personal initiative, through entrepreneurship, through leadership kind of roles as well. And also when we talk about the path towards the prosperity and all, so over there, financial success through risk taking and innovation. Risk is something which you have to take, because this is what the innate nature of the Aries is. If you are a very laid back kind of person, you do not want to ruffle some feathers, you do not want to offend people, you are very kind of impressionable, then you might not be able to utilize this. And yes, the more you are going to be working with a pioneering kind of approach and mindset, you will be able to generate good wealth in your life. Now guys, when we talk about the Taurus, if Taurus comes out to be your Shri Lagna and all, which can be seen as a very good sign, because Taurus in itself is being ruled by the planet Venus in itself. So guys, the characteristics could be stability. You have to be patient even for the wealth, even for the big amount of money, windfall gain to happen in your life. How patient you are, how consistent you are, that is where the key lies. We say in Hindi, yahin pe kripa chupi hai. That is where the blessing is hidden. And you have to be practical, guys. Now, when we talk about the wealth indicator for you, so this could be a possibility that the gains will come to you through real estate, through agriculture, or this could be through luxury goods as well. Now guys, when we talk about what could be your path towards the prosperity, so financial growth through slow and steady accumulation and a focus on the material comfort will become very important. Now guys, let's say for example, if your Shri Lagna turns out to be in the Gemini sign. So guys, the characteristics of Gemini, we know this thing that it is a very intelligent sign, adaptable, it's very communicative, it's very friendly, it's very social. The wealth indicators could be for you that success might come to you through intellectual pursuit, through communication, through networking. Like the way I say this thing that the more multitasking you do and the more resourceful you are, more expressive you are. Like these days, all those kind of people who are selling courses of something, they are working as a coach, as a guide, as a trainer, as a creator. This could be a case that the real money comes to them from these kind of work, because their Shri Lagna is in the Gemini sign. And guys, when we talk about the path towards the prosperity, financial gains through business, through media and information exchange can also be looked at in this way. Now guys, when we talk about that, if your Shri Lagna is going to be of the Cancer, of Karak, so we say this thing that the characteristics could be how emotional you are, how nurturing you are, how protective you are. These are the typical qualities of the Cancer. Now comes the wealth indicator. So your income might come from the home related business, or this could be through real estate, this could be through some sort of family inheritance as well. Like I have also seen like people who are in any of the kind of, they have their own plantation kind of business and all, so that can also be attached with it, organic farming and all, who are working as a farmer and all, so that can also be attached like this. Along with that guys, when we talk about the path towards the prosperity, so financial success through emotional intelligence, caregiving and long-term investments. Now guys, if your Shri Lagna turns out to be Leo, like the Simha sign, so guys, the characteristics of the Leo, we know about it that it's very regal, it's very charismatic and it's very authoritative. Now comes the question that what could be the wealth indicator for you. So guys, the prosperity and the success and the money, the real money might come to you through leadership roles, like when you're being put forth in a commanding, in a leadership kind of role. And this could be through some government funded projects or creative works and any so work where limelight and recognition and fame is involved. That is how you will be able to generate some real wealth in your life. Along with that, guys, when we talk about the path towards the prosperity, so financial growth through bold decision and prominence in public or entertainment field. Now, guys, when we talk about the Virgo Kanya Rashi, so for the Virgo natives, the characteristics of the Virgo, for the people who have just started up in Vedic astrology, so it's a sign which represents how analytical you are, how meticulous you are, how detail oriented you are. Wealth indicator, so for that, guys, gains through healing, through health care, through very precision, very precise, meticulous kind of work. We say this thing that, all those kind of people who are like working as a jewelry designer, where you have to done very fine, very precise kind of work. So that could be the domain of the Virgo. You might be utilizing that. You are like working as a dietitian, you're working as a health nutrition expert. So that could be a case. So again, guys, when we talk about the Shri Lagna, so over here you have to imbibe all these things. It's not like that, whatever you are doing, you might be working as a HR, you might be working as an actor, as a musician, whatever you are doing. All what matters is that if money is not coming in, so that means you need to imbibe the qualities and the traits of the Virgo, which we have just discussed. How analytical, how meticulous, how detail oriented you are. And guys, when we talk about the path towards the prosperity, so yes, success through very detailed work, how disciplined you are, and how much you are able to give very practical kind of solution to someone. Now, guys, when we talk about the Libra, so for the Libra natives, if Libra will come out to be as a Shri Lagna, so the qualities of the Libra, characteristics of the Libra, that they could be very diplomatic, they are very balanced, and they are very relationship focused. Now comes the question that from where the wealth will come, which brought you to this video. So for the wealth indicators, guys, generally we say this thing that if this is what your Shri Lagna is, so your wife in itself, your partner, your husband, your relationship will play a very significant role. So wealth could come to you, real money could come to you through partnership, through marriage, through law, like means if you are even operating, working as a lawyer or something, or through some sort of the beauty industries and all as well. Along with that, guys, when we talk about the lesson for you, so that means financial success will come to you through good negotiation skills and maintaining good harmonious relationship. Now, guys, why I'm doing like Donald Trump? Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, now when we talk about the Scorpions, so for the Scorpions, like if your Shri Lagna will come out to be of Scorpio. So guys, the very first thing is that for all those people who are new to Vedic astrology, what are the characteristics of the Scorpio? So Scorpio characteristics are like it is very intense, it is very secretive, and it is very transformative. Now if Scorpio will come out to be as your Shri Lagna, so beyond any doubt, guys, that in itself is a living proof that you could be a good scientist, or the real money might come to you if you are putting and doing a lot of the research and something which is very hidden. So like this could be a case that you are working as a journalist, but you are always very hesitant to talk about something which is very taboo, something which is very controversial, something which involves sex, something which involves hidden things. But if this is what your Shri Lagna is, no matter whatever you are doing, you need to imbibe the Scorpio qualities. This is where we say in Hindi, Kripa ruki hai, the blessings are struck over there. And guys, when we talk about the mool mantra for you, or path towards the prosperity and all, so financial transformation through deep investigation, staying secretive becomes very important, and regeneration. That's what I want to say. Now, guys, if your Shri Lagna comes out to be of Sagittarius, so guys, beyond any doubt, the very first thing is that what all are the characteristics of the Sagittarius. So these people are very optimistic, they are very philosophical, they are very adventurous, they are very focused, they are very goal oriented. Sagittarius is energy which represents ethics, which represents virtues, which represents morals. Now, how you can utilize it if this is your Shri Lagna is. So guys, I would say that if in your line of work, it's like in any way, like education is involved, spirituality is involved, foreign connections are involved, motivating other people is involved. So this could be a case that now you are going to be good in that, in your line of work. So again guys, here whatever fields I have mentioned, if you're already working in these fields, it's good. But let's say for example, you are in a field where in certain ways you are happy with the designation, with the position, whatever you are doing, that gives you contentment, that gives you fulfillment, but the real money is not coming in. So like the way why I'm still making these astrology videos, I feel very contented when I do that, but from a small apartment, why not from a big house? So that's what I'm trying to say, where the real money is. Here we are not talking about what profession is suited for you, because I have seen those charts where people have like, they are in a profession indicated by the chart, but the real money is coming in from different venture. So here this discussion is purely about the money. So I mean to say, if so all these are the traits and the qualities which we discussed, that how you can utilize it. So just wisdom, exploration, higher knowledge, education, spirituality, foreign connection, guidance, motivation, staying very ethical. So all of that will become very important if you will imbibe that in your line of work. So you can turn your business into a cash cow. Now guys, when we talk about our Capricorn friends, so if Capricorn will turn out to be as your Shri Lagna. So guys, for those people who are new, so what are the characteristics of the Capricorn? So we know this thing that Capricorn has everything to do with the discipline, with being very practical, with being ambitious and all. Now comes the question that if this is what your Shri Lagna is, so what could be the wealth indicator for you? So yes guys, it's like we say this thing that hard work is very important, being very persistent is very important, attainment of authority and position is very important. Again guys, here I'm not like asking you to do some scam or do some favorism and all, but certain times it has been seen, like for example, why to go very far, even certain nakshatra like Ardra. With the Ardra nakshatra, I have seen that these people till the time they are like on a junior level and something, they are like just like any other regular guy. Like this could be Ardra, this could be Jyeshtha. Oh my God, the minute some power or authority gets bestowed upon to them, then you see how they end up becoming like a complete metamorphosis. So I mean to say, all the Capricorn qualities about all these things which we discussed, or this could be a case that, but yes, authority will become very important. Staying very, and even if you have to become, oh my God, I'm so filmy. It's like, that show, Vikings. What can I do to be remembered and great? Be ruthless. So yeah, this is what the Capricorn is. It's like if you have to be very rigid. Now, I'm not saying go and harm or hurt people. I'm not saying to hurt someone. I'm saying you have to be very strict with the rule book. That's all what I'm trying to say. And yes guys, all the Saturnian kind of traits which comes to your mind, and generally it has been seen that, it's like the more independent you are, and the more power is concentrated to you, the better you are going to be operating in your line of work, or the real money will start coming in. So guys, it's just a short hush kind of video. I'm just gonna make another part of that as well, then I will go deeper into it, which all could be the specific profession and all of that. Or let's say for example, if your Shri Lagna is in this house, how it can be utilized. So yes guys, your path towards the prosperity, so financial success through patience, through long-term planning, and yeah, status becomes very important. Now guys, when we talk about the Aquarians, so guys, for all those people who are new to Vedic astrology, so if Aquarius turns out to be your Shri Lagna, so the very first thing is that the characteristics of the Aquarius. So simply put guys, Aquarian qualities are like everything to do with the innovation, being true philanthropic, humanitarian, and unconventional, little bit eccentricity is also attached with the Kumbha Rashi. Now if this happened to be your like Shri Lagna, so what could be the doors of the wealth for you? What could be the wealth indication for you? So guys, we say this thing that income could come to you from technology, from social causes, from unconventional methods. So again guys, I'm not saying that you have to be, if your Shri Lagna is of Aquarius, that means the money will only come to you if you will become an engineer. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that in whichever field you're operating, just try to add some CSR angle to it, corporate, social responsibility, community related causes and all, become the next Greta Thunberg. So that's what I'm trying to say. It will actually help you that way, and just try to be a step ahead of your competition in terms of how you adapt yourself, your business, your skill set, your services, your offering to the latest tech standards. So like there have been this, it's like I remember when in the US politics and all, when Donald Trump was there was an attempt to his life with that gunshot, where he very minutely escaped that, and which actually made him like a God's chosen president and all. So immediate after that, there were like t-shirts and mugs which started selling, and someone actually made $1 million just selling those kind of merchandise. And I guess this Zelensky and Trump fallout in their meeting which happened, someone also started making some merchandise of it. So I mean to say, just adapt yourself, whatever is in the demand in the market, in whichever way you can serve any need, serve any cause, associate yourself with the cause. Like I've seen so many like socialite these days. Again, any good work needs to be commended, needs to be appreciated, but these are those people who know that, okay, I'm just a regular motivational speaker or socialite, or let me add this thing that I'm a spokesperson of this, I'm a supporter of this causes, that actually suddenly give a boost to your business, and the money will start coming in. Again guys, this whole discussion is purely, here I'm not telling you that, okay, what you can do as a profession, as your career choice. Here I'm just talking about where the money will come, why money is not coming in, what you need to do. That's what the discussion is about. And lastly guys, so yes guys, for you, the path towards the prosperity, so financial growth through futuristic thinking and community oriented ventures will actually give you the money. So like this could be a case that, for example, again guys, it's not like that even if I'm very consistent on social media that I'm making that much money or I'm that much successful. I've seen that in India, some of the people, they are like very successful astrologers, they build houses, got their kids married, and doing very good in terms of the business and revenue and all, and they're not even on social media. Just like that, within the community, they are very regular. They have like batches going on, like every single batch has got a strength of like 50 or 60 students, and they are like multiple batches going on where they are teaching astrology, in-person classes. And when you ask them, they say that we do not even have time, we are already so occupied and busy. So I mean to say, just be focused on towards the community, be ahead of the time, be futuristic. So only if you will work with that mindset, money will come. And lastly guys, for people who have got their Shri Lagna as the Pisces, so guys, to begin with, you have to be like aware about the traits of the Pisces, which has to do with like how imaginative you are, how compassionate you are. Like spirituality also is connected with the Pisces sign. So now what could be the wealth indication for you? So guys, generally it has been seen that gains through the artistic pursuit, spirituality and philanthropy plays a very significant role. Now again, this is not a discussion about that in which field you have to be in terms of your career choices. Like the way I explained, there have been those people who are in different field, but the real money comes from some other venture. So I mean to say, this discussion is purely about the money. So in whichever field you're operating, having that kind of some sort of supporting some sort of charities or building a story around your business, that I support this cause, I support these kind of charities, whatever money you are paying, a portion of that is going to support this cause, this charity, this NGO, will actually give that leverage to your business, to your business identity and all. And along with that guys, like artistic angle to it becomes very important. So it's like something which is very with a deep emotions, deep story and deep connection becomes very important. And yes, some sort of, we say this thing that the path towards the prosperity, if your Shri Lagna is going to be of the Pisces, so that means financial success will come to you through charitable efforts, being innovative, creative, and making use of your intuitive faculties. That will become very important. And this could be a case guys that something to do with the foreign land, where we say this thing that we are the ones who are like who will listen to you? Like if no one is listening to you, we are there for you. So we say this thing that those kind of organizations like Doctors Without Borders, or like someone you can trust when no one else is listening to you. So building that kind of story, being engaged in these kind of businesses, you could be in the medical or health industry, all what matters is that how compassionate you are, and along with that, making use of philanthropy, spirituality, artistic angle to your work, to your business, your product will actually give you that edge, which will start paving path towards more money, the goddess Lakshmi to start blessing you. So guys, it was just a hush hush kind of a video which I just wanted to make while enjoying the sunset, which I do not know why it's cloudy today. So yeah, I will definitely try to make another video on this, and yeah, whatever your inputs are, or let's say for example, very important thing at the end, so whatever you are doing as a part of your business and all, like are you utilizing the energy of your Sri Lagna? Again, it hardly matters which planet is your second lord, which planet is your 11th lord, where your Venus is placed, which planet is your Amatya Karak, Atma Karak. Again, do not get confused in astrology. Sometimes knowing more becomes more complicated. All what I am saying is that you would have calculated so far your Sri Lagna through the J Hora Jagannath Hora software. Now all what you have to do is that look at your Sri Lagna and write it in the comment section that in which capacity the inflow of money is being supported by your Sri Lagna. That's what I will look forward to in the comment section. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.